Generator seal oil system. This lecture is part of the lecture series on steam power plant systems. It may be useful for plant operating staff. In a previous lecture, we have talked about generator hydrogen cooling system. In this system, we have talked about hydrogen seals which are to the left and right of the generator. These hydrogen seals prevent leakage of hydrogen to atmosphere, and they also prevent ingress of atmospheric air into the generator. In this lecture, we are going to talk about these hydrogen seals in which the generator seal oil system plays an important role. In this diagram, we show generator seal ring, which is nothing but part of the hydrogen seal. The same diagram but little bigger in size. Here we can see the hydrogen seal casing, and then we see seal ring segment. Here we can see that in the casing oil is being fed. The oil is then coming out from this place and forming a thin film. One part of the oil is going to the air side and other part of the oil is going to the hydrogen side. This oil is forming a film which is sealing the hydrogen inside the generator, and at the same time this oil film is preventing ingress of atmospheric air into the generator. Here we can see the spring which is holding the seal ring segment on the rotor shaft. Request. It is hoped that this session is going to be useful to you. Please press like. Please सब्सक्राइब। यह लेक्चर हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है। Generator seal ring. As discussed in a previous lecture, the rotor winding of the large generators is generally cooled by hydrogen. Hence, hydrogen may escape through shaft seals where the rotor comes out of the enclosure, even though each side of the generator enclosure is gas tight. To prevent such leakage of hydrogen, a continuous film of oil is maintained between the rotor and stationary seal rings. Seal oil also prevents entry of air into hydrogen-cooled enclosure. The pressure of oil seal or seal oil on both air side and hydrogen side is maintained slightly higher than the hydrogen pressure to restrict entry of hydrogen and air through seal rings on either side. Seal oil flow diagram. The same diagram but little bigger in size. In this diagram, we can see that the oil flow circuit, there are two oil flow circuits. One is in the hydrogen side and other is in the air side. The figure shows a simplified seal oil flow diagram that comprises two separate seal oil circuits, that is, air side seal oil circuit and hydrogen side seal oil circuit. One seal oil pump receives suction from the seal oil storage tank and supplies oil through the cooler and filter to the air side shaft. Drainage from the air side seal ring is returned to the seal oil storage tank. Another seal oil pump draws oil from seal oil tank and supplies oil to the hydrogen side shaft seals through a cooler and filter. Drainage from the hydrogen side seal ring is returned to the seal oil tank. The seal oil tank is connected with the seal oil storage tank through an overflow float valve. The seal oil on the hydrogen side being at a higher pressure than hydrogen prevents the continuous loss of hydrogen. Request. It is hoped that this session was useful to you. Please press like button. Please सब्सक्राइब। यह लेक्चर हिंदी में भी उपलब्ध है।